It's my birthday and we harvested the first cucumber of the year. I've never grown these kind. Hopefully they're tasty. I'm gonna harvest more salad out of the salad box because somehow we miraculously still have salad. And potatoes in the salad. Things get weird here. So I harvested all those potatoes yesterday, and my trick for cleaning them is to put them in a Tupperware with water and then vigorously shake them so that they kind of tumble, clean themselves, kind of like a river stone. I find that it is way faster than scrubbing each individual potato because that gets really annoying really quickly, especially with those really tiny ones that I used in the soup yesterday. This is way faster and easier and doesn't really damage them. They just take care of each other. You can see how dirty the sink is and how clean my potatoes are. So that was super easy, super fast. I just shake them and they tumble dry, or not dry, tumble clean. And that is a perfectly clean, fresh potato from the garden that was harvested yesterday. Well, someone, not me, had a good time. I just found someone's underwear in the forest by a lake. My boyfriend took me fishing and I just set up this bait line with that floater in the water. And I'm just fishing over some wild blackberries that aren't quite ready. But I did find some wild strawberries that are totally ready and I will eat them later. Wild strawberries! This is the most goddamn romantic thing that's ever happened to me. We're on a rowboat on a lake on my birthday because we couldn't bother to stand in the lake fishing anymore with no pants on. Woo! In the middle. Yeah. Right. He did this. He made this possible. This is fine. This is normal. We won't die. Not on this lake. Our boat did not come with an anchor. So we just anchored to a floating dock we found floating. Because our boat did not come with an anchor. Mistakes! It has baby ducks. He has baby ducks. Well, we have duck friends now. We got ducks coming out of our butts. Hey, buddy, come here. You're gonna bite my hand again. Because they're crazy. They're crazy and they think we're food. They think we're food because they're dinosaurs. You're gonna come jump up my leg and eat my hand? Because you're a weirdo and you think there's food in there? Hello. Hello, brave little duck. Mama's right there. There's squirrels. Hi. Hey, you want to come up here? You can come up here. You tried to jump up. Come on, ducky. This duck tried to jump in my lap like a weirdo because he's weird. This duck jumped on our knife and Yen said he didn't want to fight his mom. It's the best. She's right there. She's really funny. These guys are squirrels, but they're cool. We have duck friends. There's a duck. There is a duck in my lap. He's trying to eat me, but there is a duck in my lap. They're so cute. We did not catch the fish. I know, shocking. But we had fun in the rain and we survived. And though many things tried to put us in the lake, we did not end up in the lake. Winning! When you don't catch the fish, you make a steak for dinner. Roasted potatoes and squash from the garden with rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Steak finished with thyme and garlic from the garden and peas on top of toast with caprese salad. The tomatoes are from the store and the cheese is from the store. That's cheating. Basil's from the garden, and a salad with tomatoes from the store, the cucumber, and the salad greens I harvested in the morning.